Baidu, the Chinese internet company, reports before the bell tomorrow, fresh off a preliminary deal between U.S. and Chinese regulators to reduce delisting risks. The street will be watching for AI, cloud strength, ad revenue growth, and any impact from the COVID shutdowns. Baidu's release also follows Pinduoduo's blowout report this morning. So investors, they may actually want to keep an eye out for more positive momentum in what might just be a Chinese tech turnaround. Joining me now to trade it is Ari Wald, Managing Director at Oppenheimer. Ari, if Baidu beats, are you a buyer? And is it too soon to call a Chinese tech turnaround?
So far, so good. I think what's most notable as a market signal, we have seen these turns in Chinese stocks lead turns in the S&P 500. And I think it does argue that the weakness that we're seeing in the market broadly is part of a longer-term basing process. Baidu being one of those names that we think is in the process of turning higher. I think what's notable about the stock's trend, it first bottomed in March. It successfully tested that low in May and has now moved above its 200-day moving average, which we do see as a sign of relative strength in what's been a difficult market tape. Now, here are the levels to watch. The stock still needs to get above $157 resistance to confirm the upside reversal. That would mark the stock's first higher high. Still, we think you side with the relative strength and you buy the stock with a stop at 142 support. That being last week's gap above both its 50 and 200-day moving average.
Okay, but Ari, if we look at the fundamentals, the number of positive catalysts, we mentioned them at the beginning. You've got the COVID lockdowns ending. You've got some stimulus from Beijing, even some clarity regarding the audit. But if we've learned anything over the past few years, you got to be careful when it comes to the sector. We learned that from Ant Financial, from Alibaba, from Didi. Can investors be confident that some of the regulatory overhang is cleared for now?
Well, I think with all this, the bearish fundamental backdrop here, I think what's notable is that the stock has stopped going down. So again, our read of the technical trend is that a lot of that bad news has potentially been priced in. The fact that here's a stock against all those headwinds and negatives that you named, Deidre, again, hasn't been stopped going down since March, is now actually showing some signs of trying to push higher. So again, I think that's telling, and which is what we're keen on here, is, again, the behavior of the stock's price action.
Yep. Okay, we'll get a good indication once they report.